Welcome to our ultimate Guess the Brand by Logo Sound quiz. Think you can recognize the world's most famous brands just by their sound? These sounds are more than just audio. They are unforgettable parts of branding history. Subscribe to Quizzo and hit the bell. Play along, test your ears, and see how many brand logo sounds you can guess correctly. Can you get this first logo? Which logo sounds like this? Yes, that is Pepsi. On to the next one. Which logo have this cool sound? You got it, Mountain Dew. Listen closely to this one. Which logo plays this crisp tone? Yes, that is Target. Here comes another sound. Which logo has this classy roar? You are right, BMW. Hungry for the next clue? Can you guess the logo sound? Yes, that is KFC. Time for a crunchy challenge. Which logo sounds is this? You got it, Doritos. Ready for the next one? Which logo has this sleek jingle? Yes, that is Samsung. This one is social. Which logo comes with this catchy chime? Correct, it is Instagram. Another familiar tone. Guess the logo sound?
Alright, cool.
Sipping water, sipping dreams, think about it.
Yes, that is Snapchat.
Alright, cool.
Sipping water, sipping dreams, think about it.
Let us go big now. Can you guess the brand from the logo sound? Right, that is Microsoft. Apple fans will know this. Which logo has this iconic chime? Yes, that is Apple. A sweet sound is here. Guess the brand from the sound. That is right, M and Ms. Next sound quiz. Which logo plays this appetizing tone? Yes, that is Subway. Coffee lovers, listen up. Which logo sounds warm and welcoming? You guessed it, Starbucks. Another logo sound quiz. Which logo delivers this fast and fun jingle? Yes, that is Domino's. Last one now. Which logo has the signature tone?
Hello, Moto.
Correct, it is Motorola.
Hello, Moto.
How many brands did you guess right in our Guess the Brand by Logo Sound Challenge? If you enjoyed this quiz, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our next sound challenge. Share your score in the comments and challenge your friends to beat it.